Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making Origami Diamond. You can use this as Christmas decorations and also as a tiny surprise gift box. You can make it in different sizes and hang it on the Christmas tree. I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be cutting into half. Fold the paper into half. Bring this tip to the center crease and make the crease from this point. Now we are making a zigzag fold over here. Repeat the same thing from this side too. Pre-creasing is done. Here you can see a V shape. Place it down like this. Fold up the flaps till these 2 points. Fold the flaps according to the pre-creasing as demonstrated. Now open the flap and do the inside reverse fold. Here you can just open and fold a small triangle inside to secure the shape. Fold along with the crease line and collapse the model as shown. Origami diamond box is done. I'll show you one more method of closing this. While you put small candies inside and want to close it more firmly, just bring down this triangle and start collapsing it from the top. And this is how we can open it easily. To use it as Christmas hangings, you can take a bead in a string and knot it and place it as shown. Then you can lock the model in the same way. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.